Diya Girish took up cricket at the age of 9. Sudhi of MCC Academy, a friend of Diya's father, spotted her and became her first coach. She joined the summer camp conducted by the Trivandrum Kids Cricket Club under Mr. Shaju Matan and Miss Sharanya. She got her under-19 Trivandrum district team camp selection from there under the coach Mr. Sohan, and from there straight into the district team. While she was training under coach Mr. Ajay Prasad at TVM SAP Club, Mr. Sohan invited her to KCA where she could practice in the nets regularly. Mr. Rahul and Mr. Manu were her coaches. Recognizing her talent, Mr. Manu paid special attention to Diya's training. Although initially a medium pacer, Mr. Manu reckoned Diya's strength lies in leg spin. He believed Diya's batting skills could be utilized as an opener. He mentored her in playing as well as in fitness sessions. They practiced for hours and hours in the nets, including day and night sessions. He is the main person behind her each and every achievement. Diya has always been a fitness conscious and she trains regularly at the KCA gym under the guidance of Mr. Manu. He has been training her tirelessly for over 3 years. Diya then went on to play in under 16, under 19 and under 23 category for Trivandrum district in 2017. She was the vice captain of the under-16 team that year. From there, she got the South Zone selection and attended the under-16 state camp. In 2017, Diya got introduced to Mr. Ananda Padmanabhan, one of the best leg spinners in India. She trained with him and perfected her leg spin skills. 2018 turned out to be a memorable year for Diya. She was fortunate enough to practice in the nets of Senior Women West Zone team and got the opportunity to learn and interact with the senior players. There she was able to make a mark for herself and got praised by the coaches and officials. She then went on to play in the 2018 Under-19 and Under-23 as a part of the Trivandrum district team. Moreover, when the under-16 district team was selected, Diya was made the captain as a result of her brilliant and consistent performance. From there, she got entry into the under-16 state team, where she got the captainship of the under-16 Trivandrum 11 team and they became the runners-up of the first ever women's tournament in Kerala. Trivandrum District Cricket Association conducted a specialized camp for both girls and boys under coaches like Mr. Bijumon, Mr. Rajagopal, Mr. Babu and Mr. Manu, where she trained for 3 months. Diya bagged the Player of the Match award against Pondicherry in the 2019 state tournament conducted in Pondicherry and turned heads with her brilliant performance. Her consistent hard work and undying passion for cricket made her way into the under-19 one-day team camp conducted by the Indian team coach Ms. Suman Sharma. She also got the chance to be a part of the senior women's T20 Kerala team camp. Later, Diya participated in the All Kerala Manish Memorial Tournament conducted by the MCC. As a result of her powerful captaincy, the Travancore girls CC defeated Kollam Under-19 by 11 runs. She was able to score 56 runs and 2 wickets. TGCC took part in the All Kerala Under-14 Boys Marshall Tournament. Diya went on to score 85 runs in the first match and 67 not out in the second, with a total of 5 wickets in 2 matches. She is one of the most promising and one among the biggest pool of young talented cricket players in India. In 2019 Under-23 district matches, in 3 matches she scored a 50 and took 7 wickets just for 15 runs and then got selected to the Under-19 South Zone team and Under-19 state camp. Later on, she got selected for the Under-16 state team also. She is only 14 years old. She played more than 70 matches, scored 10 more half-centuries and took 80 more wickets. She scored an emphatic unbeaten century against Kollam Under-16 team. She made 106 in 80 balls. Currently, she is playing Under-16 state team and Under-23 South Zone. She is also actively participating in Under-19 state camp. She is the captain for Under-16 and Under-19 and vice captain for Under-23 Trivandrum district team. Kerala's first women cricket club, the Travancore Girls Cricket Club, is led by Diya Girish.